Let's talk about BOSCH TASSIMO Genuine Piercing Unit version to fit, TASSIMO VIVY TAS1202, TAS1204, TAS1251, TAS1252, TAS1253, TAS1254, TAS1255, TAS1256, TAS1257 machines. One. BOSCH TASSIMO Genuine Piercing Unit Piercing Jet and CWA Packet of TASSIMO COSTA Cappuccino Discs Cadbury Chocolate Bar. 2. 3. The two-piece BOSCH TASSIMO Genuine unit is designed for easy fitting cleaning purposes. This comes in BOSCH Genuine packaging. 4. The packet of TASSIMO COSTA Cappuccino Discs Cadbury Chocolate Bar shall come with your order image shown. 5. For safety fitting purpose, only use this BOSCH TASSIMO Genuine Piercing Unit on the above Tassimo machines at all times. Had to make sure that I ordered the correct spout for my machine TAS1202 GB. This fits a treat, and is a slightly different design from the replaced spout. Arrived on time, item as described by seller, works very well, quite expensive. A bit pricey but fits well, and the rubber gaskets look better quality compared to the original part.